Hello guys, do you know every correct question in the verbal section is approximately 2 lakh rupees ka job? Yeah. So this is my way to motivate everyone. Of course, your placement depends on a lot of things, but yeah, each question is carrying approximate 2 lakh rupees. Let me help you with that. So if I get 60 percentile in the verbal section, of course, if I do well in the other areas as well, I can get a 7 lakh a job, right? The moment I cross 70 percentile up to 80 percentile, you can easily get a 10 lakh job. The colleges which are there with the average package of 10 lakhs, you can achieve the target. The moment I cross 85 percentile in the verbal section, and of course do well in the other areas as well, so I can expect a 15 lakh package. Go Institute of Management, TAPME, all these colleges with the packages 14.5, 15 lakhs are all into my game. The moment I touch 90 percentile, package goes to 20 lakhs, then 25 lakhs, 97 percentile is 30 lakhs, 99.9 if you're a topper, of course you can touch 40 lakh a package. Okay, depending on which college you join. Of course, there are a lot of ifs and buts, but please take it as a motivation. Yeah, that's my main thing. That's why I'm smiling on this. Now, score versus percentile, if I look at from the verbal section point of view, 60 percentile is 10 marks, 70 percentile 14 marks, 80 percentile 18, 22, 24. These are the number of as per the last year. Now, if I divide this by 3, I'll get how many questions I need to do. So 10 marks matlab I have to do mota 4 questions. 5 question, 8 question, 10 questions. 10 question correct. Attempt nahi, correct. Fine, I'll get a mota same marks. Now, if I do 4 questions and get a 7 lakh a package, 4 divided by 7 divided by 4 per question, I'm getting 1.8 lakh rupees. If I do the same for the other, for everyone, this number changes. जितना ज़्यादा स्कोर करोगे उतना बढ़ा जाएगा. But if I take an average is 2.2 lakhs. Every question of the verbal section is worth 2.2 lakhs, which is huge यार, huge. तो मतलब आज के बाद तू गलती करेगा, you should feel that कि अरे यार अपने 2 लाख रुपए का नुकसान. With every loss, every question wrong, I'm losing out of 2 lakh rupees. So your target, of course, have to be 85 percentile. First target, I normally give 3 targets to everyone. So 80 percentile, 1 target. 90 percentile is normally my second target. And 99 percentile or 97 percentile is third target. These are the 3 targets which all of you should have. Garib Aadmi, Aam Aadmi and Amir Aadmi. The 3 type of students. That should be your target score. Fine. 2 लाख रुपए का बेटा, अभी तू गलती करके दिखा यार. आप उल्टा भी सोचा यार, अगर मैं 3 क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग करने से बचा लिए, माय पैकेज गोज हाई बाय 6 लाख रुपए. ये तो मैंने कभी सोचा ही नहीं था. फाइन. सो वी लॉन्चिंग अवर जी स्ट्रेटजी प्रोग्राम फॉर लास्ट 30 days टू द कैट एग्जाम. इन केस यू वांट टू ज्वाइन, प्लीज लिंक इज गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. लेट्स क्लियर द कट ऑफ. अगर आपका वर्बल बहुत वीक है, सो give me 1 month का time and you will see the improvement in your verbal score. All the best.